Hello everyone! Welcome to the channel. Today we will make a beautiful, simple, and very easy Christmas card. We fix a sheet of paper with tape so that we get a triangle in the center. Wet it with a wet brush. And now I add watercolor, first yellow, then orange, red, green, and blue. You can choose your own colors that you like, and wait until it dries. After drying, I remove the tape. I take a black liner and decorate the tree. Draw a star and a garland. Well, that's it. The card is ready. I hope the video was useful.